Welcome, and thanks for joining us for a Clover tour. Our goal is to show you how Clover can work for your business. We'll cover everything from creating orders to running reports. Let's get started.
Run your business from a Clover device or from virtually anywhere. Log into the web dashboard from any internet browser to manage everything from inventory to reports. It's cloud-based and syncs in real time with your Clover devices and apps. Use the Register app to create orders and take payments. Find items by category, all items, or search by SKU and item name. Or use the built-in barcode scanner or a compatible scanner. You can also add items with a per-unit price, such as weight, or create a custom item on the spot. Accept virtually any type of payment with Clover: cards, contactless, cash, and more. And customers can sign an on-screen or paper receipt and select a printed or email receipt. Review all orders, open and closed, from the Orders app. You can also reissue receipts and initiate refunds or exchanges. Use the Inventory tool on your Clover device or the web dashboard to create new items and manage quantities and costs. Add categories to organize your items and labels to sort items for specific purposes, such as revenue tax reporting. From a Clover device, you can also add items with variants for details like fabric type. In the Employees tool, you can create employee profiles and assign roles and permissions, including employee login access to your Clover devices. The Reporting tool gives you valuable, real-time information about your business. Here, you'll find details about your sales, employees, discounts, and more. Filters help to narrow down your data. You can also export or print reports. Clover's customer engagement tools make it easy to reward your loyal customers and keep new customers coming back. From the Promos app, you can build your online audience by setting up an automatic offer, which is printed on customer receipts. Each customer that redeems the offer will be added to your audience, so you can begin sharing rewards, sending promos, and more. You can also use free item promos to help move surplus inventory or get customers to try a new item. You'll find all of your customer details in the Customers app, including email, phone number, and address. Keeping track of customers is also a great way to provide regulars with a tailored experience. Your Clover account comes with all the apps you need to get started, and the Clover App Market, under More Tools, gives you access to more than 400 additional tools that seamlessly integrate with your Clover system. You'll find apps that help you streamline and do more, like Davo for sales tax remittance, Homebase for employee scheduling and timesheet management, and Gusto for full payroll services.